Nakita niyo na ba itong Jollibee Game Joy combos na may kasamang Unipin credits for gamers? Para sa mga fellow gamers namin na mahilig mag-food trip while they game, this one's for you. Kung meron Jollibee Kiddie Meals with toys for the kids, ito naman for adults like us who love gaming. It's Jollibee's new Eat to Earn Game Rewards where you'll get a Jollibee Game Joy card for every Game Joy combo. Surprise kung magkano pwede mo makuha. From 10 pesos up to 200 pesos per card. Just buy any of the solo Game Joy combos for one card or the Game Joy bundle with 4 cards. Scratch the back of the mystery card tapos enter niyo yung serial and pin sa Unipin website to find out magkano yung credits mo. Para siyang gacha kasi you'll never know magkano yung makukuha mo. So far, we've gotten 10 pesos each card pa lang, but may mga sinuwerte na, like yung kawork ko who got 100 pesos. You can use your Unipin credits to buy in-game currency for a ton of games or gaya sa amin to reload yung Steam wallet ko. Ang tanong, sulit ba siya? Siyempre, kinuwenta ko na. If you buy the Game Joy combos like regular meals, same lang yung price niya as the Game Joy combos. May extra Unipin credits ka pa. Para kang nag-cashback or may pa-bonus. So mas sulit for us yung Jollibee Game Joy combos. May food na, may game currency ka pa. Bagay ito pang treat sa fellow gamers mo. Parang pwede nga rin pamigay ng mga live streamers. Try nyo na rin, baka swertihin kayo.